Hello everyone. I came with exciting news. Stable Diffusion 3 has been released, although the model isn't publicly available yet, the API is. That means you can now access it on CR completely for free. Let's dive in and see how it works. To get started, simply visit the link provided in the description to access Stable Diffusion 3. Once there, you'll be prompted to type both a positive and negative prompt. You also have the option to select a specific model, although I recommend sticking with the default one for now. After that, choose your desired image size, and when you're ready, hit generate to see the magic happen. Now, with this special feature of Stable Diffusion 3, we have the ability to provide specific text to display in the generated image as well. Wow! Doesn't it look impressive? Now, I'm going to generate more images using the prompts I provided. Let's see how it performs. Alright friends, I hope you've learned something new from watching my video. So why wait? Give Stable Diffusion 3 a try for free now. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care.